Here we are doing the video of this John Deere 2130 part 1, and the second part will be a walk around video. But first one, we've been running it for over almost 40 minutes now, but got it nice and warm. And talk a little bit about the gauges first. The fuel gauge seems to be working, and the tach does work. The temperature gauge does go on. Just reads a little bit, so we're not sure if it's reading accurately, but it's moving. So anyway, we'll start it here, and then first of all we're going to demonstrate this 7-foot cutter on back that's also available for sale for $1,100 separate. And then do a little loader work here, and this is before we've done a service on it or done any rebuilding any hydraulic lines on it and things like that, which does need some cylinders rebuilt. But okay, we'll go ahead and start it. I'll get down the cutter here. Yep. Then you want to cut and then lift that up. Okay, so there's that. We don't really have any grass here to cut, so now we're going to demonstrate the loader. Throttle. Can you lift up? Can you try to lift the front end off the ground or not? No. Yeah, it's going to need some cylinders rebuilt. Okay. You'll just go reverse and drive it a little bit. Well, let me go underneath here just so you can see there's no blow-by under the tractor here. Maybe power steering too. Okay. Maybe another gear up, a little faster. Power the brakes on it. Power the brakes. Brakes good. Clutch good. All right. Okay.